Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today I'll be showing you how to make sprouted moong curry. It's a Marathi recipe. It's called Moog Birdha and it's my mom's recipe. It's a very simple yet very satisfying dish. I'll show you how to make it now. Come on. These are whole moong beans and we will wash and soak them in water overnight to hydrate. Look at how nicely these have hydrated. Drain these in a colander and we will cover these and keep it in a warm place overnight to sprout. These have sprouted so well. Now you can use this as is or you can even submerge them in water and try to remove the outer covering that floats on top for nice pearly white beans. Let's make the masala paste for this curry and it's called talla masala, which is an amazingly flavorful masala. You can even use this masala for any meat dishes or any other vegetarian dishes. We will saute the onions until golden and then add the other ingredients one after the other and keep cooking for the flavors to mix well. These are whole garam masalas and we will saute these until the masala is nice and golden and aromatic. It may take a few minutes, but it's totally worth the effort. As usual, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notified with any new recipes that I post every week. Remove this into a blender jar and we will blend this with very little water to make a thick paste. This is the final consistency. Keep it aside. Now we will make the main curry. If you have the masala paste ready, then the curry will be done quickly. Saute the chopped onions until translucent as they will get cooked further with the sprouted beans. I'm adding sprouted beans with the outer covering, which is very healthy and full of fiber. Now for all the flavorful spices. You can adjust the red chili powder as per your spice level. Rest of the ingredients will enhance the curry taste. Give it a good mix and always add hot water. These beans don't take long to cook. We will now add the prepared masala to adjust the thickness of the final gravy. Jaggery and kokum will add a sweet and tart flavors which complement each other so well. We will cook this further until the moong is completely cooked. Take a look at the description box for the complete recipe. Now, if the beans mash easily, then they are done. Perfect. A final garnish and we are ready to serve the Moog Birdha with some steamed rice or hot rotis. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Now what an amazing recipe, right? So simple, just a few ingredients and the sprouted beans are the best tasting beans ever. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified with all the new recipes I post every week. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, show some love and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.